So dear students, today we are going to learn the new concept addition. Do you know about addition? What do you mean by add? Add mean put the things together, add the things, and in Urdu जमा करना, मिलाना, इकट्ठा करना. Understood? Very good. See this picture. What have you seen in this picture? This is my block. This is mine. This is Rama. And this is Yash. Rama has one block and Yash has one block. Rama has pink block